We have arrived at Stir Museum, which is the history of Nebraska from 1830 to 1930. Okay, so we're in the Stir Museum, and it's really been quite a display of history. Tell me about it, Stephen.
Well, you've heard of soapbox derbies, where they make cars out of soapboxes for kids. This is a soapbox. Used to bring Lennox soap by Procter & Gamble to the general store, and they'd use all the bars out of that, and the boxes that they came in, just like packaging, they'd thrown out the back.
In general, what's your experience of this museum?
I like the history. I'm reading a lot of the fine print and really enjoying it.
And it's, to me, it's cool because it's the only museum I've ever been in that is specific to a place. This is Grand Island.
Grand Island, Hall
History,
County,
yeah.
Nebraska.
Well, I guess in Bisbee we saw that significant to the place, but I guess because I've been always interested in the pioneer experience, this has really struck me as something notable. Look at these gorgeous flowers. You can only get in a place that actually rains. Just another beautiful garden. Not usually taken by gardens. Cattails, which I just learned they used to stuff papoose diapers with.
And there's a food element to them too. I don't know
yeah.
what part of it is not edible.
It looked like the stems. So we have a group of Mennonites walking, well, except for the little stroller that kind of gives them away. But they look like they belong here. In this little pioneer, well, they call it a railroad village, what it was like near a railroad station.
That's the trick to it. So you were some kind of champion at this, huh?
I must have done it for hours.
All right, can you do some cartwheels too? Go backwards.
Okay.
All right.